Hello YouTube, this is Abhishek Lomte from Lomte Studio Projects, and today we are going to see how to edit a thumbnail like this. So this is not only for gamers, you can apply the same steps to rest of the categories. I am showing for the gamers because the gaming videos and all is a trend right now. So without wasting time, let's go and see how to edit your thumbnail. So let me grab my phone. Okay, in your phone open a Canva app. You can download it from the Play Store. I will provide the link in the description. So this app is totally free. You can also buy some premium stuffs there, but it's not needed that much. So let's go. First of all, search for game. Okay, so here you can see YouTube gaming video, so select that and you will find some templates, so ready-made templates, and also a blank page. So in the templates find that attracts you, whichever you like. You can select anything and customize it as you want. So I'm gonna select, okay, let's select this one. Okay, so this is actually a video. Okay, this is not a image, this is a video. First of all, let me play this so that you can see what's in this video. It's just animation. The elements in this template just gets animated. That's okay. So let me customize. First of all, we will change the image. Remember, first if you are having an image on your thumbnail, you should first select the image and accordingly customize your thumbnail. Okay, so I have selected the image of Valorant game, which is trending right now. So you can double tap and adjust the image. As you can see, there you go. I am going to select this portion. Okay, now we will change the color. So as I have selected one element which is blue, I will make the blue color in black. Okay, that looks great. Now as you can see, there is a section called photo colors. Okay, when you select your image, the Canva app selects the colors from your image and gives you the option to select it for the other elements. So you can select the color from the photo colors, or you can select the default colors, or you can customize using the RGB option. Here's the photo color section. As you can see, the image and their colors. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it black. You can select any black color from the photo or from the default color. Next, for the pink color, I'm gonna use RGB. As you can see, there is a dropper option, and I'm gonna select the orange color in this image right over here. Okay, that's fine. Click on the done button. As you can see, the color changed into the orange color from the image. So in this way you can match other elements so that your theme looks good, your theme looks attractive if all the element colors are matching to your image. Okay, if I keep is as it is, it may not look so attractive. So here I'm gonna do the same thing, but there are three colors, so I'm gonna select another color. So yeah, this look fine. There is a gradient look in it. Okay, that's great. Now we're gonna change the background. I'm gonna keep the background black. Instead of black, we can also choose a blue shading in the black, so it looks very awesome. So as you can see, I like this color. Now we're gonna change the text to Valorant. Okay, increase the width. Come on, man. Okay, there was an extra space. Okay, there we go. You can increase the width of the text. You can also change the font from here, as you can see. So okay, I like this font. You can select many fonts. There are so many fonts, and also some premium fonts, but I'm gonna select this Anton. That looks really nice. Okay, I'm gonna increase the font size to fit it perfectly. Okay, now let me change the subtitle to, it's a epic multiplayer game, so I'm gonna text it just epic thumbnail. Okay, epic. Wow. Thumbnail tutorial. Okay, this is just for tutorial purpose. You can give your subtitles or video title. Okay, so that's a main title and that's a subtitle. I'm gonna increase the font size of this also. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna make it bold so that it attracts, so that it is easily visible. Okay, you can add some custom text also from the text option. Here you can see there are so many ready-made templates for the text, so you can select any one from this. I'm gonna select this game on. Okay, that's nice. Okay, you can keep it as it is. It looks really awesome because we are gamers. Okay, game on. Yeah, the game is on. Okay, or you can change it to like, comment and subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna resize the layout, not the font. Okay, so grabbing the dash from the side resizes the layout, not the font. Okay, not the comma. I need a and over here. Okay, and subscribe. Okay, now as you can see the lines are very much tight to each other, so I'm gonna increase the line spacing. So the Canva provides you the line spacing option, as you can see here. Okay, the line height is 1, so I'm gonna do it 1.27. okay, now it looks nicer. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna reduce some font size. Okay, keep it in the center. As you can see, the dotted pink line shows you the center of the Valorant text. Okay, so it gives you the guide for the text alignment. Now I'm gonna resize the font size of the subtitle because subtitle should look bigger, or the title should look bigger, so that it is easily readable on the thumbnail. Okay, because the thumbnails are very smaller in the size on the YouTube. Okay, this will be down. Let's change the font color of the Valorant. You can choose from the photo color, or you can manually select the color. Okay, I'm gonna select orange color from the theme, so it looks nicer. Or you can choose the blue color also, because as you can see there is a light blue shading on the side of the image. Okay, the says character has a blue shading on her hair, so you can keep that blue color, light blue color. Okay, I'm gonna change the subtitle color to orange, and also I'm gonna change the font. Okay, let's see now, man. Okay, I know one font, but I'm not getting it. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah, it is Gagalin. Yeah, that's great. So this font is really awesome, and the text are really bold, so that it's easily readable. So that's nice. So now you can add a logo on your thumbnail. So you can select a logo from gallery, photos, or if you are already uploaded on a Canva, you can go to uploads, so that it shows the recent upload from your mobile phone or desktop. So yeah, in my font, my logo is on gallery, so I'm gonna go to gallery and select my logo. So here's the logo, Lobby Gaming. I'm doing this thumbnail for Lobby Gaming. Okay, so I'm gonna use a filter on our image. I want to make it a little bit brighter. Okay, the solar effect, yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna increase the intensity. I want my image to glow to make it attractive. Okay, now it's glowing. Now add some watermarking of Valorant. Okay, how to add a watermark? If you want to add a watermark of any name or your channel name on your thumbnail, so you can do is copy the text. Okay, I'm gonna place the text on the center. So I'm gonna change the font. Here you can change the font. So there is a font with the layout. This font is really nice to use. on a watermark. Okay, horizon outline. Oh yeah, I found it. Okay, so now we can arrange the text accordingly, and I'm gonna increase the layout size, increase the font. Okay, adjust it on center. Yeah, that's the center. Okay, now we're gonna do is we're gonna reduce the transparency of it, so I'm gonna do it 50%. Okay, okay, I'm gonna reduce it to 50%. You can see the text very lightly, but it's very small thing, but it's really attracts, believe me. Okay, so I'm gonna duplicate the text and place below it, and I'm gonna align the position to back. Okay, using so that the text goes on the back side of all the elements. Okay, so same way you can fill the thumbnail with the watermark as I am doing it. Copy the text, place below, position to back. That's all we need to do. That's really awesome. This app is really awesome, man. I use this app a lot to make my thumbnails on YouTube. You can go and check out my channel for all the thumbnails designs. It's really nice. You can also download the video. Okay, or you can save it as an image, as you can see the fifth option over here. Okay, save as image. The image is loading, preparing your design, and it takes some few seconds to save it. Now your image is saved. Now you can go to your gallery, find your thumbnail over here. So yeah, that's it guys. In this way you can edit your thumbnail in a proper way, in an epic way. So to make your channel more attractive, to attract your viewers, to attract your followers, you can use this app to design your thumbnail. It's very easy, it's not so difficult. Anyone, any beginner can edit your thumbnail on this. Do not pay to anyone for your thumbnails. You can edit by your own. So that's it for today. We are gonna see more and more in the future. I'm gonna bring more and more videos for you, such tutorials for you. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed, and if you have already subscribed, please keep watching my videos and support me. So thank you so much guys. See you next time. Goodbye.